Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to another video tutorial. The topic is the chemical digestion. In previous video tutorial we discussed about the physical digestion, and today we discuss about the chemical digestion of the human digestive system. And dear ones, in next slides we discuss about the main difference between the physical and chemical digestion. But first of all, we discuss about the chemical digestion of the small intestine. And the first part of the small intestine is called the duodenum. Bile. Here a word is the bile. The liver produces bile. Bile helps with the digestion. And bile is the alkaline pH 7.50, power of hydrogen. And the pancreas produces digestive enzymes, gallbladder and the liver produces bile. What is the main difference between physical digestion and chemical digestion? Physical digestion is the mechanical breakdown of food. Physical digestion in the mouth, including chewing or grinds food. Food is taken into the mouth where it is cut by chisel-like teeth called incisors. Saliva acts as lubricant. Understand my point? Chemical digestion में क्या है? Chemical digestion में breaking down of the bonds in food to convert them into organic molecules. Okay, what are the three enzymes involved in the chemical digestion? The most important enzymes involved in the chemical digestion is the protease, amylase, lipase. In next slide, we discuss about the importance of the protease, amylase, and lipase. Amylase is the to digest starch, not already digested in the mouth, into maltose. But in protease to digest protein into amino acids. Lipase to digest fat into fatty acid and glycerol. Lipase क्या करे to digest any remaining lipase to digest fat into fatty acid and glycerol. In this diagram you can see that and the food enters the stomach. Food in the duodenum secretes bile. Which organ produces bile? Most important point, bile is a fluid. Bile is a fluid helps with the digestion and released by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. Bile helps with the digestion. Bile in the gallbladder becomes more acidic the longer a person goes without eating, so resting slows this fall pH. pH mean power of hydrogen. मीनिंग मीन्स कि बाइल जो है वो किसमें है? गॉल ब्लैडर में एसिडिक हो जाएगा द लॉन्गर अ पर्सन गोज विदाउट ईटिंग थ्रू रेस्टिंग स्लोज दिस फॉल्स इन pH. Okay, first one is amylase. Amylase, site of action mouth duodenum, protease stomach duodenum, lipase only duodenum. The first part of the small intestine is called duodenum. अमाइलेज माउथ ड्यूडिनम बोथ में हो रहा है. प्रोटेज किस में हो रहा है? स्टमक और ड्यूडिनम में हो रहा है. लाइपेज एंजाइम किस में हो रही है? ड्यूडिनम में. एक्शन इसका कहां? सबस्ट्रेट क्या है? अमाइलेज में स्टार्च, प्रोटेज में प्रोटीन, लाइपेज में फैट एंड प्रोडक्ट प्रीवियसली हम डिस्कस किए हैं अमाइलेज में जो है हमारे पास एंड प्रोडक्ट क्या आ रहा है माल्टोज प्रोटेज में हमारे पास अमाइनो एसिड्स डाइजेस्ट प्रोटीन इनटू अमाइनो एसिड्स लाइपेज में क्या आ रहे हैं टू डाइजेस्ट फैट इनटू फैटी एसिड्स एंड ग्लाइसरोल दिस वन this is a person eating the food digestive system diagram. What is the difference between gastric juice and pancreatic juice? Most important question. The main difference between gastric juice and pancreatic juice. Gastric juice mainly contain enzyme for the digestion of protein. But pancreatic juice mainly contain enzymes for the digestion of carbohydrates and fats. So all the topic about the small intestine chemical digestion, the main difference between gastric juice, pancreatic juice, main difference between physical digestion and chemical digestion. So any query you may ask. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.